I am Akash from Team Voice, VTOL operated intercity electrical vehicle. We participated in NACDEC 4 from Shastra deemed university. I am currently pursuing MTech Aerospace Engineering. Our Team Voice consists of 3 MTech students and 2 BTech students. I am proud that our team has won the third prize in NACDEC 4 organized by the Aeronautical Society of India. Our faculty mentor Dr. Srihari sir guided and supported us during this competition. I worked on mission profile, performance and initial sizing. I have learned many new things with regards to multidisciplinary aircraft design and team building and product design during this period of the competition. I have also gained insight into the future of urban air mobility. The designing of our aircraft was a fruitful experience and I had fun learning the complex aircraft design process.
Hello everyone, I am Sushmita, currently pursuing MTech Aerospace Engineering. The problem statement given by NACDEC is to design an intercity electrical vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. We started working on the problem by doing initial literature survey about existing eVTOLs and we did the initial layout design for our voice aircraft. Then the basic configurations were selected. We did the initial sizing, aerodynamic analysis, performance calculation, structural analysis and power plant selection as per the RFP requirements given by NACDEC. My contribution is in power plant selection, landing gear estimation, safety and risk assessment and material selection. Finally, we designed an ICV TOLA which satisfied the RFP requirements of the NACDEC. The knowledge gained through this competition is significant and it was a wonderful experience. Thank you.
This is Pratik Boga from BTech Aerospace Engineering. I think NACDEC is doing a great job in pushing young engineers to think out of the box and come up with innovative solutions. The problem statement is always different and counterintuitive. It was great working on the project. I did the design modeling and technological forecast for our team and I learned a lot.
Hi, I am Stephen, pursuing MTech Aerospace Engineering. The design problem was electric VTOL and it was new since the world has not seen much of electric VTOL aircrafts and this made the competition more interesting. The NACDEC organizing team solved our queries and doubts by arranging many webinars relevant to the design problem. We worked hard almost for 10 months till the final round to meet the design requirements. We had Google Meets each week to discuss about the progress. I worked on aerodynamic analysis and stability part. I am sure this experience would help me a lot in my career. I would like to thank Dr. Kota Arinarayanan sir, Dr. Rajkumar Pant sir, our faculty mentor Dr. V.M. Srihari sir, NACDEC organizing team, volunteers, Aeronautical Society of India and my university for giving us this wonderful opportunity and continued support during the period of NACDEC. So, thank you.